There are too many sausages and shish kebabs, and there's too much orange juice. Boys and girls, today we are going to talk about the quantities of food. We have there's too much, there are too many, there's enough, there are enough, there isn't enough, and there aren't enough. And the new vocabulary words are bread, cookies, salad, and sausages. Well, boys and girls, there are two columns. You are going to learn the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So I'm going to show to you the pictures, and you have to decide whether they are countable or uncountable nouns. Alright? So get ready. Bread. Uncountable. Good. Cookies. Cookies. Great. It's countable. Salad. Salad. It's uncountable. Great, boys and girls. Juice. Juice. It's uncountable. Great. Yogurt. Yogurt. It's uncountable. Very good. Mushrooms. Mushrooms. Countable. Excellent. Shish kebabs. Shish kebabs. Countable. Very good. Chicken. Chicken. It's uncountable. Honey. Honey. It's uncountable. Excellent. Unit 8, Lesson 2. Listen, read, and say. Here's the food. Oh, bouncer, there are too many shish kebabs, and there's too much cheese. There isn't enough salad. Again, here's the food. Oh, bouncer, there are too many shish kebabs, and there's too much cheese. There isn't enough salad. Now, boys and girls, look at this yellow rectangle line, and let's take note the too much and too many. Let's read together. There's too much cheese. There are too many shish kebabs. There is enough salad, or there isn't enough salad. There are enough mushrooms. There aren't enough mushrooms. Too much is for uncountable nouns, and too many is for countable nouns, and enough is for both countable and uncountable nouns. Again, too much is for uncountable nouns, and too many is for countable nouns, and enough is both countable and uncountable nouns. Alright, so let's move on to the next exercise. So we have write the words in the correct place. Too much, too many, enough. Number 1, salad, cheese. Salad and cheese are uncountable nouns. So it's gonna be too much. So you're gonna write here too much. And number 2, nuts, honey. Nuts, countable noun. Honey is uncountable. So the answer is enough, because enough is for both uncountable and countable nouns. And number 3, mushrooms and kebabs. Mushrooms, countable, and kebabs, also countable. So, too many. The answer is too many. Alright, now let's go to exercise number 2. Say true or false. Number 1, there's too much salad. Number 2, there isn't enough sausage. Number 3, there aren't enough cookies. Number 4, there's enough salad. Number 5, there are too many cheese kebabs. And number 6, there's too much cheese. So boys and girls, you have to answer this. Okay? And then exercise number 3, talk about your neighborhood and the world. So you're gonna use there are too many, there aren't enough, there are enough, there's too much, there isn't enough, and there's enough. Example: there aren't enough parks in our neighborhood. Again, there aren't enough parks in our neighborhood. So here are the nouns that you are going to use: parks, trees, litter, supermarkets, water, movie theaters, and pollution. So parks, countable. Trees, countable. Litter, uncountable. Supermarkets, countable. Water, uncountable. Movie theaters, countable. Pollution, uncountable. Okay, now we will move to workbook. Workbook, page 61, Unit 8, Lesson 2. Exercise number 1. Unscramble the words. So number 1, there's too much salad. And number 2, there aren't enough kebabs. Again, there aren't enough kebabs. Now you answer number 3, 4, and 5. Exercise number 2, look and write. Too much, too many, enough. Number 1, there's too much pollution. You see the picture. You can see too much pollution, right? So number 1 is there's too much pollution. Number 2, blank litter. See it. Litter is the trash or garbage. So there's too much litter. Too much. Now you answer number 3, 4, 5, and 6. So number 5, stores. Number 3, stores. Number 4, trees. Number 5, cars. And number 6, flowers.